Hi guys, I'm Keisha. I'm going to show you how to play this Pinypon theme park. First, let's play the bumpy cars. And they're playing like this and they're bumping too hard. Yeah, right? And it's so easy. It's so playing. It's so excited. And it's so cool. This Pinypon theme park is so cool. They got many rides and many interesting. And look at this. It's going to slide and going to work. I will remove this because it's going to the car going to stop when there's a girl out the road. Now, are you ready to show this is a slide? Okay, here's the ready one. It's so cool. It's so slidey and so moving. To make this, it's so happy, yes, and so exciting. You see, it's so sliding. And there's a flower. This is so twirly and twirly and twirly and twirly. And you say twirl, twirl, twirl. I'm going to show you how to make this now. I'm going to show you. It's a Pinypon craft. Thank you for watching the Pinypon theme park. Please enjoy it in 2 a.m.